In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add live chat on Shopify. Adding live chat is a simple way to help customers get answers quickly while they are browsing your store. It can reduce abandoned carts, improve customer satisfaction, and give you a clear place to manage conversations. We will do this using Shopify Inbox, which is a built-in chat solution designed to work smoothly with Shopify. First, go to your Shopify admin. On the left side, find the Apps area. Open it, then look for the App Settings option in that section, and click into it. This is where you can manage how apps connect to your store and confirm everything is set up correctly. If you already have apps installed, you will also see them listed here, which helps you stay organized as your store grows. Next, open the Shopify App Store and use the search bar to look for Shopify Inbox. Make sure you select the official Shopify Inbox app, then install it. During installation, Shopify will guide you through the required permissions, so the app can display chat on your storefront and let you reply to messages from your admin. Take your time reading the prompts so you understand what is being enabled. After the installation finishes, Shopify Inbox will be available in your admin under Apps. Once Shopify Inbox is installed, you will turn on the chat button so customers can actually see it on your site. Go to Online Store, then Themes. Find the theme you are currently using and select Customize. This opens the theme editor where you control different storefront features. Inside the theme customization area, locate the setting related to the chat button visibility and toggle it on. After you enable it, look at the preview on the right side to confirm the chat button appears where expected. If you do not see it right away, give the preview a moment to refresh and make sure you are viewing a page layout where the chat button is supported by your theme. Finally, save your changes in the theme editor so the chat button stays enabled for your live store. And that is all there is to it.